Good morning, children. Welcome to the month of Happy and Patriotic August. Happy because there are so many festivals that come in August. Some we have already celebrated till now, and some are approaching soon. Just few days back, on 15th of August, we have celebrated our 74th Independence Day. Students, for this independence, many of our soldiers have laid their lives and are still many of them standing like pillars to protect our boundaries. Many a times they have to sacrifice their life. Such heroes of defense are offered highest honor in the form of awards like Veer Chakra or Paramveer Chakra. But do you want to know the background behind these awards? Let us find out about one, Paramveer Chakra, in our video, which is our lesson 1.7. So students, let's read the lesson Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. 1.7 Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. Bestowing means giving or offering with respect. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor. Here conspicuous means clearly visible or easily seen act of bravery. Preeminent means outstanding and valor means bravery. Please note down the meanings, okay children? We will read the line again. Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. Whether on land, at sea or in the air. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards are given posthumously. Posthumously means after the soldiers have laid their lives or after their death. Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadhiji. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. It was learnt that the sage Dadhiji had bones of such extraordinary power. But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Sage Dadhiji was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashioned from these bones and the demon was defeated. Just as the Indra Vajra derived power from sage Dadhiji's bones, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. Now we will go and see what they have to tell about the PVC medal or the Paramveer Chakra medal. The story behind it. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is made of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Swivel means it is movable. Okay. On the obverse means on the opposite side, It has the Indian national emblem at the center. I read the line again. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. So children, from this part of the lesson we know that Paramveer Chakra is the highest military decoration in India and is awarded for the bravest deed or art of valor or self-sacrifice in the front of enemy and is given in all the 3 defense streams, the military, navy and air force. We have also come across the story of Indra's Vajra made from sage Dadhichi's bones, for which he laid down his life readily. It is this Vajra, children, from which the Indian military derives its strength and power, from the sacrifice of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders. Also, we have seen the appearance of one side of the Paramveer Chakra. Now you can see it on the slide, which is made up of bronze and is fitted with swivel mounting. Then it also has a plain purple ribbon on one side. There is the national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra, and while on the reverse side, now here you can see both the sides in this slide, while on the opposite side or the reverse side, Paramveer Chakra, the words are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. This Paramveer Chakra was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar, a European lady who was married to Mr. Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. She loved India and spoke Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. Students, this Paramveer Chakra has been awarded 21 times. The names of those we are going to come across in the next part of the lesson. 14 of them, the 14 brave military men, were given these awards when they had sacrificed their life. Okay, that is after their death. Now let's see, children, what the next part of the lesson holds for us. Now if you can see, there are the 21 names of the bravest of the brave who have been awarded the Paramveer Chakra. You can see them on the slide, as well as you can see them on page number 21 in your textbook. Students, we are going to see the story of flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sikho. Now, please pay attention because I am going to read the part from the textbook and you are going to watch the video. And then afterwards, when we finish with the video, you are going to read this part of the lesson on your own. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sikho was on readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sikho took off in his night fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful saberjet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged two of them. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. But alas, Flying Officer Sikhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. Flying Officer Sikhon displayed great flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon. Now children, from this part you have understood about the great heroic story of Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon. Now let's summarize the whole lesson. Okay, let's have a recap. So, in this lesson we have seen the story behind the making of Paramveer Chakra, purpose for which it is awarded, the names of 21 Paramveer Chakra holders. We have also seen the appearance of the Paramveer Chakra. And finally, we have seen the story of Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sikhon. Now let's see some new words that we have come across and its meanings. Students, please read behind me. The first one, legendary, very famous and admired. Conspicuous, outstanding. Posthumously, after a person's death. Fitted with swivel mounting, means fixed in a way which allows it to move freely. Obverse and reverse, the front and back sides of the medal in this lesson. Emblem, symbol of an object that represents something. Symbol, an object that represents something. Next is thunderbolt, a flash of lightning with the clap of thunder that strikes at something. Invincible, impossible to defeat. Determination, strong resolve or perseverance. Gallant, brave and courageous. Inspiring, motivating. Account, a description of an event. Fatal, causing death. Now students, from the question number 3, we can see that we have already completed this. Means I have completed it. You have to complete in your home as a part of your homework. The way I read, you will read this part of the lesson on your own. Then the next question number 4 is, find more information about other Paramveer Chakra awardees. Prepare a collage using photographs, pictures and text matter written in beautiful handwriting. So that is your activity. Now let's turn to the language study. Sometimes we use 2 or 3 adjectives together to describe a noun. In such cases, children, the order in which the adjectives are used depends on the meaning of it. The adjectives that express or show your opinion about something are usually put first. The other adjectives are normally put in the following order. You can see the order in which you have to place the adjectives if there are more than one adjectives coming in a sentence. They should be according to the size first, the age then, the shape then, the color, then origin, then material, then use or purpose. The example: a nice little basket, a brave young woman, a big red plastic bag, a noisy oiled drilling machine. Okay, now these are the examples of the language study given here. Hope you all have understood today's session and would wish to also serve your motherland children. Thank you very much. This is your teacher Dipti Kamalwar signing off. Let's meet in the next session. Goodbye till then.